Hello. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna do an hydrate and a stretch. 2 days in a row. Yeah, I'm trying to make a comeback, I guess. Ah! I am having bad anxiety, so hopefully this stream helps calm me down. Oh, it's okay. If it does help you, you can stay, but if it doesn't get any better, you can go and do whatever you need to do. Is that okay? So Bella, how are you doing? And Dorver, how are you doing? Are you both doing okay other than the anxiety I mean? Let me show you guys what I've been working on. So I found out something about the characters, so let me just go to like manage character and I'll open the character folder. I realized in the sprites folder, some of the older characters, like before they had the skin, like you could have multiple skins, right? Hold on, let me read. Been doing some self-discovery recently. It's always good with some self-discovery. That's like a positive thing. Anyways, do you understand this? Let me show you another character. Does Cashew the Ferret have... Cashew the Ferret actually has like skin 0. And like here's all the sprites basically. And like in the code I realized it was much better to make it so it only looks in the skin folders, because otherwise it has to look in 2 places at the same time. So yeah, but I realized something, like I actually fixed it pretty well. Like before it wouldn't even find the sprite, but it still does now because I fixed it. I can show you how I fixed it actually, if I can find it. The only thing I did was just do this code right here. That was all I had to do. I didn't realize it until like I think last night or in the morning or something. It came to me in a dream. I can explain more on Discord after stream. That's okay. Was in a store, saw a bird carrying a receipt outside. That is epic. I actually was blessed by a bird yesterday. I was out walking and the bird blessed me. So yeah, anyway, what this does is just searching if this directory even exists. If it does, it sets this skin folder to be this. Otherwise, it sets it to be this. So when it's searching for sprite, it just adds onto this, like, this is the folder to look for sprites. I didn't realize it was that simple to fix that, but I already did this system in the game to like warn you that there isn't a skin folder. And the explanation was to optimize sprite loading, but I feel like this isn't needed anymore. But should I still have it so like you kind of want the characters to be consistent with each other or something? I don't know what's best, because I could remove this again, because it does work right now. Like if I just go in the game and play as this character, so it's just going to be me and Bruce's. Is it okay if we can have the chat TTS? Also, did you recognize your room? Actually, how do I haven't had TTS in a long time. It's his workshop, I think. It's actually my brother's old room, but he has his own apartment now, so he doesn't even live here anymore. I was looking for something. This thing. Because I think that's how I got the TTS last time. Let me see. Is it here somewhere? Is it bought? No. I forgot. I had to. Oh, this thing. Maybe this one. Should I read nicknames?
Bella_per_cat. Blab.
Okay, not nicknames. I'll just look over. I think that should work well. If there's too many people coming in, I don't think there is gonna be. I'll turn it off again. Okay.
Well, I was curious how it would do with mine.
Oh, okay. Actually, let me see. How does it pronounce that? Okay, say something right now. Say something like hello.
Pairs is a chomniazani. Something right now. Bella_per_cat. I doubt people will be joining in at this hurrah.
Yeah. I think so too. That was a crazy nickname. What the? Yeah, I don't think so. I don't know. Just remind me to turn it off for next stream in case. I don't know. But yeah, I'm only streaming at this hour because I have things to do. I'm probably only gonna stream for like...
IDK how to grammar derp.
I think I'm only gonna be streaming for like 2 hours max because I need to go after that. If that's okay. Okay, yeah, you see the character like still works even if it's not in the skin folders. So I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna remove the thing again. Let me see.
Welp, there could be some new people joining.
I mean, you never know. I am live on Twitch and YouTube. people can find me. For if I got like 2 followers yesterday, which I thought was crazy. Okay, I need to fix this now. I'm thinking about okay, I'm gonna make this into like a var thing. Var skin 0 required. I'm doing coding, even though I said I didn't want to do that anymore because it gets too like stressful sometimes when you're coding. But there's not many people here, so I just wanted to fix this.
God, I kind of missed streams like this, where you always got distracted by chat TDS as you were programming sticky paws lol.
Yes, it's very distracting. But I guess that's the point, you know? So
nostalgic.
If this doesn't exist and skin is required, true. Skin 0 warning equals true, I guess.
Jonal Pog.
It said Jonil Pog. Is it named Jonil Pog? Isn't it named
Jonal Pog.
Isn't it named Sticky Pog?
Jonal Pog, Jonal Pog, Jonal Pog, Jonal Pog.
Did I name it wrong or something? Is that... I don't know how it works.
Don't worry, I won't talk bad about your code. It's not like I'm better at it.
Thank you. I think your code is amazing though, Doro. Okay, yeah, so this is like a
I'm still learning
skin
equals
warning.
W equals.
We're all learning. Honestly, I've been learning a lot. Actually, let me show you this thing. Hold on. Let me go to the Discord so I can show. I have Discord right here. Look at this thing. Look, this is a good sign if you see this. It just says like when the minus is bigger than the plus, because that just means like I got rid of a ton of unnecessary code in the game. Like that's optimization, you know? I completely changed like the input code.
Jonal Pog. Yeah, that's some real optimizing.
Thank you. Johnny Pog. So yeah, I'm proud of that. Same with the characters and stuff.
Sorry, lol.
Whenever you spam, like, I can hear and feel the spam, you know? Okay, skin warning.
Transgender pride.
Aww. That is so lovely. What was I thinking about? I get distracted. I just hear the spam in my ear and I forgot what I was doing. Okay, so if this exists... Wait, if this exists...
You were making a warning for the skins?
Yes, that's true. Okay, yeah. If skin warning equals...
What's the downside of not having the skin folder if there is just one?
It's just how I was making like this. When I was trying to optimize the code, I realized like there was a lot of checks that were like, if there is a skin folder, if there isn't a skin folder.
Skin 0 equals default.
Yeah, skin 0 is basically the default skin. But on the old characters, you know, there wasn't a skin folder yet. But when I was optimizing, I was like making so many checks for like, does it have a skin or not a skin? It would check in 2 places. But I did realize today like how to fix that. So, because before the character would just disappear, basically. But I did fix it. But I'm just gonna make it like a toggleable thing in case it would be better to just have like every character be standardized that they need to have the skin thing. Because you never know, you know. Because I did all this code, I don't want to like just remove it. I guess I can, but I guess it's like future proofing. If skin warning equals, wait, false? Yeah, if it equals false. And then it would be like, if this is true. Yeah, if this is true. If skin warning equals true. And I don't need this long thing. Let me see if there's any other. Okay, that's the one setting it.
Big one.
That is a beautiful dog emoji. I do have 2 scripts. One is for drawing, one is for a step event.
Doggy, smiley face.
So it seems like I have to copy this over to the other script. Hold on. This is a step 1. It seems like I do need to put it here too, just in case. And
do you have a development branch for Sticky Paws?
A development branch? You mean like let me look at like the GitHub. Usually I just have like 1 branch, like the main branch. This is the only one I really have.
It's on GitHub.
Oh, you're asking like if I just have this is
just
like
everything on main.
Yeah, this is like it is available to the public. I just have main. I think we did make another branch. I've gotten help from some people with like the GitHub stuff. It's just that I've just only used like the main branch, basically. If skin warning equals false, right? Whoops. If skin warning equals false, right?
Wait. The main branch is public? Like, anyone can view and download it?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yep.
If they want to edit it though, they still have to like, what is it called? Like permission.
Face.
I feel like it's okay if I just have it public like that. Because if people really want to support the game, they should buy it still. But it's only gonna be like really nerdy people going going to the GitHub. I don't even know if everyone knows about it, you know? But basically, Doro could just go to the...
Obey the licenses.
Doro could just go to the GitHub and help me out with code if he really wanted to. Like, at any point. You could do that too if you really wanted to. So if skin equals false.
Big move. Someone adds custom character abilities.
I mean, I would be very happy if someone did that. Okay, does this work? I think it should work, but let's just try it. Let's just say skin required equals... Yeah, equals false. That's what I want to test right now. Let's just see.
Someone makes a playable Sonic with Sonic abilities. LOL.
I thought I would think that would be very cool if someone did that. But yeah, if you used okay, let me just see. I did make it into a VAR though.
Mario.
I don't understand.
That would also be cool. Didn't Jonal try to do that once, or was it Shadow?
I actually did try to make Sonic, I know, because I wanted to see what that was like. Actually, let me see in the custom thing, because I have this folder called old characters, and I have this one called Sonic. Let me copy him and paste him here so we can play as him. Hold on, I just need to fix this. So it does say var here, right? And if it does say that, like it's yellow. Oh, I wrote something wrong. What did I write? Did I not write skin? In step event? Oh, skin warning. It's supposed to be skin zero warning, I guess.
Playable Phoenix skin? I remember that being shown in one of the teasers.
Yeah, I made that for her basically, because I wanted to be nice, and I just included every custom character that I got at that point. Okay, let's try this now. Let's see how this works, and then we can play as like Sonic and stuff. La 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 la, building the game. You can see in the corner, right?
Actually, how long have you been together? Few years at this point? Skin warning.
Ooh.
Please remove your skin before playing.
We were together 2019, so 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Wait, has it been this long? Hold on. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We started dating at the end of 2019.
Damn,
So
4
maybe
years.
4 years almost. I didn't realize it was that long, honestly. I forget about time. But I'm very happy. Yeah, now that warning isn't there. So just in case I need it later, I can add back the warning thing.
time. Use it wisely.
I will think about that. There's Sonic. I made him just because I'm a Sonic fan. Of course, I'm using like the advance. How do you say that? Snicker. Snocker the Snicker. Oh, it doesn't work correctly. Let's actually fix that. I think he's using old code. So if you go into manage character and then you can click open character folder.
And you use opens broken heart rip.
And you use opens this, right? And then you can go to here. So what is actually broken? I think it's just some of these values have changed over time. Honestly, I would just copy from like another character. Let's just see. Like sticky copy. Character config. Let's just paste that over here and fix everything. Character name is Sonic. I think the game doesn't even use this thing because it just looks at the folder.
I remember having the idea of a Paper Mario-esque style sticky and Catlin a few years ago now.
Honestly, if you did that for this custom character thing, I think that would be very epic. I did actually add this homing attack thing because I was making the Sonic and I was like, he needs this.
Sketchy and Sketchlin.
Not this thing. Hold on.
LMAO.
That would be pretty cool, I think. I will set this to 1. Speed max run should be like 32 or something. Where is the... Okay, so I think it's the acceleration thing. It needs to be these values.
My anxiety is calming down.
That's great to hear, actually. So I'm very happy. Keep that up. Let's just save this and... Did I save the right thing? Yeah, I think so. Let's just save that and see what happens. There still might be like bugs I need to fix.
You are a big teddy bear, and you resemble one as well, LOLP.
That I've heard that sometimes. People call me that. Did the game crash or something? Let's try this again. I don't know why it just went black. Let's just see.
Oh, boot loop, embarrassed face.
I think it was like some loading screen, I don't know. Like it was just taking too long to load. Okay, it does work. It's just the mask is wrong. Can I fix the mask? Hold on. Oh, not this. I meant custom characters, Sonic. So there is this mask thing right here. It does say dimensions, so 68. It says right there. Where's his like standing sprite?
Jaunt, Stemp shoulds have Dislands great.
I don't know what that means. Stemk.
What?
It sounded like the bot was trying to tell me something, but I didn't understand. Okay, it does say 68 and 68 here. So I think it's just the position of the mask is wrong. Like in the sprite origin
Sticky
point.
should have a slingshot, lol.
A slingshot? You mean like in Zelda? You know in Zelda they have the... You can have a slingshot. Okay, I think this should be...
Kinda missed a few keys there.
Actually, not that one. Maybe this one needs to be... Well, I need to think now. It needs to be a lower number so it goes down a bit, right? So like...
Acting like I did it on accident.
Okay, let's try this. Hopefully it should work. No? Why is the mask... Hold on, actually, I did add something to help with this. So whenever you're making a custom character, you can do this like show collision mask. Oh, wait, what?
Something in Eni? Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy. New journal stream.
What the hell? Mommy. Yeah, it's like off center. So, sprite origin point. Is this for the right one, Sonic? It's just completely wrong. Wait, if I just remove these, does it like set out the mask
I'm
by
in a
itself?
silly goofy mood now.
This happens. Hold on. Let me restart the game again. So I just remove the mask, and whenever I do that, the game should set like a default origin point for things, and it should be in the center. Hopefully that would work, but let me just see.
Insomnia sucks.
Have you been like awake for a long time or something? Okay, yeah, it doesn't work still. It does not set it in the center. Oh, now it doesn't even save the...
I go to bed at 3 AM. Sometimes later.
Sprite origin point. Sprite mask. Crouch.
Like 8 AM.
I see. Let me remove these. And save. Can I just do restart?
Insomnia things.
No. It can be like this sometimes. Sprite mask crouch. It created this just now, right? Because I did remove it.
Is there a way to like change the values and refresh the character without closing the level?
I thought that like if I just click restart, that should work. I'm not sure. Maybe my code is just not right, because I thought it would just set correct, like it would set it in the center by itself. But he just sets these values every time.
Didn't you have a system on where you could remove everything and it will generate new code?
I mean, yeah. It should. Oh, maybe it's... I don't know. Hold on. Yeah, let's just do that. And just redo everything. Custom characters, Sonic, data. Here we have like the unused sprite origin point. Like whenever it detects something that it's not using, it puts it in here.
The Illuminati.
But let's just remove everything. See how that works. Oh, it did work. Thank you for like helping me with my own game. Okay, look at him. And he does have like
journal a long time ago, lol.
Yeah, I forget too, it seems. Anyways, I'm gonna run.
Well, that's epic.
Actually, it doesn't run as fast as I thought. Oh yeah, did I... Wait, hold on, did I...
I had no idea. Make a note of every important thing.
I kind of forgot, honestly. Character config. He needs to be faster. Speed max run. Let's just put both to 32. It should save. Okay. He still doesn't run faster. Why is that?
Maybe have a .text file explaining how to modify a custom character.
Maybe that's... I was thinking of also making videos of it, like how to do it. Oh god. What is happening? He's a little broken or something. Why is he not running faster though? Hold on.
Build up speed for 12 hours.
He just went like super fast for some
Accurate
reason.
Sonic.
Speed max run. Speed max run. Or is it because
Accurate Sonic.
acceleration
Yes.
needs to be higher?
Spin dash if it was real.
Hold on, I'll go to map and then go in again. Okay, he does run faster now. He is fast. So I guess it's the acceleration that I need to fix.
The spin dash is not real.
I do not have a spin dash.
I mean, you can feel the dizziness of the character while playing.
Yeah. Okay, so one thing, what I think is happening here is... So one problem I see is that whenever I swing and I try to jump... Actually, now it works. What happened? Now it just works. I don't know my own code sometimes, I'm sorry. Now it just doesn't do that anymore. I don't know what happened.
I could make artwork of Sonic in the Sticky Paws style, lol.
If you did that, that would be so cool to see. Okay, yeah, you need to change the acceleration thing. So let me put this on 62. There's like an acceleration on ground and acceleration in air. You can set them to be like different. So let me try that. Now he's like super fast. You see how fast he is? Okay, now it's doing that thing. Not anymore. I don't know if it's because the enemies are there and the homing attack is like not working correctly. I have no idea.
I now use Krita and have pixel brushes. You told me how the sprites got its look.
Yeah, I mean, everyone saw like the streams of me like making the sprites. So a lot of people have actually recreate. Oh my god, how fast I am. So fast I run into the wall and die. So yeah, you do need to have like some control over the speed of the characters because they can get so fast. Okay, now it's doing this thing again, see? Where he's trying to jump. Let me press down. Now he's doing this thing. What is happening? Can I get out of it? I'm gonna make... The enemies need to like come back and hurt me or something.
Jonal Pog, Jonal Pog, Jonal Pog, Jonal Pog.
Okay, I don't know. Work in progress, I guess. But yeah, he's pretty cool. He ran and he ran into the ground. But yeah, you need to fix the
make it so that Sonic can't climb walls.
Oh yeah, I can do that
he ran
actually.
Too fast. Sad face.
There should be allow wall climb should be 0.
Sonic has passed. Smiley face.
He can still like wall jump though, right? Have you seen Sonic do that sometimes? Let's try again. Actually, let's make him... He's too fast for the game.
Some games he can.
In some games he can do it. Well, usually he needs a power-up or the, like, there's the wall cling panels. I think it's only then he can do it.
I'm kinda hungry. Don't smiley face at that.
Sonic has passed. He didn't pass Act 1, he passed life. Okay, he's not as fast now, but you have to keep his speed under control, okay? You can go eat if you want to. But yeah, it works, and if you want to, I'm not gonna keep at it for too longer. But yeah, if you have the character like this, you can click like...
Fuck you, Smalls. Bow, 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 bow.
You can like click the upload character thing. So let's just do that right now. Upload character. Upload Sonic, it says to me. I'm gonna click yes. Uploading Sonic. Sonic uploaded. So remember it says YSV as like the level code. YSV.
Servers.
Search character ID. Online character list. And there you have him, the YSV. So I can click download. So it says Sonic here. his ID, character downloaded. It also, you can't actually see this. My webcam is in the way. Down in the corner, right there. It also says like who made the character. So it says by Jonil. Let me actually show you where you put that in. So you know. So in options.
Me and Huntertron are going to have a field day with costume levels and music.
I would hope so. I've been working on this for so long now. But yeah, you can upload characters and levels. Okay, so there's this new one called Profile. So it says set up your account here. This is used for uploading level. It should say uploading levels and characters. But anyway, it says account name is Jonil. I can change.
Might even get ACM240 on a project, lol.
Oh really? I mean, yeah, sure, go for it. I would be very happy. I'm gonna be Bella, her cat, and that's my like account name, I guess. It's not really an account.
Well, you've set my expectations up. The Sticky Paws mod might be a side project.
But yeah, it's not actually accounts or something like that. Like it doesn't save. It just saves on your computer. You can also click. Oh, I should have shown that. Let's say Doru. I can also click get device username, and it knows that it's Jonil because that's what my computer is named. Doesn't it say here Jonil? Actually, it says Jonathan Nielsen, so I don't know where exactly it looks. But yeah, I did have it so you can like get the device username. That's actually what it's gonna set as the default. So it's set up like.
Better make sure that people can't copy your username.
I have no idea how you actually make username like
They can
actual accounts. I don't know how to set up like actual account stuff in Game Maker, like, and make it work. Like you would have to get like a login and stuff. I would be okay. One question I have. Let's just talk for a little bit.
Sticky Paws website. Eyes. That would take some tweaking the server.
Yeah. And I just don't know if I really have like the technical know-how to do this. So like for now I just have it like this, unfortunately. But I'll definitely look into it later. Okay, one question I have. So let's say I'm making accounts. And if you're making accounts, you need passwords. I do have a question about passwords, like...
Maybe an ID system? Trophy, congratulations. You've received 100 messages today with Restream Chat.
Oh, thank you, Restream Chat. I'm thinking like, yeah, you need passwords, and I'm actually kind of afraid that like I'm gonna be holding a lot of passwords.
Name.
I was wondering like, would it be
stream time?
Oh, hello, Phoenix. How are you doing? I was okay, hold on. The TTS is distracting me.
Username. Shit.
I mean, I guess that would work. Okay. Passwords.
Oh god, why is the TTA on? Turn it off.
They asked me to. It's just two people here. It's just Doro and Bella. Okay, hold on. I'm actually getting distracted. I'm trying to explain something.
Sewer name. Why are there turtles? Name being used. Name. ID being set in stone.
Yeah. Okay. I'll hold on. I disabled the TDS just for a moment. Okay. I've been here too a little bit. Only coming in once though. That is epic. Pigs. Actually, I didn't even see you. Oh, I see. I see. I didn't even notice. I see now. I scrolled up. Okay, passwords. I don't want to hold passwords. Like, that's a huge responsibility, right? What if there's an hack and people are using passwords that like they're using for their personal stuff? I don't think I've ever seen any other website or something like that do this, but like where they would basically force you to have like a password or something. Like, you know how does anyone use like 1Password? If anyone knows how that works, it's just like a password generator. So I'm thinking like the game just generates a password that isn't related to anything on your like it isn't related to any other like password you have, you know. You're not typing in your own password, you just get one. And if you want to like you can still do like the retrieve thing, like I forgot my password, so they send you an email. But basically the idea is that they would just be generated, so I don't have to hold a bunch of people's like password that could be their own passwords that they use for other accounts and stuff. Because I don't want to hold that kind of responsibility, right? I know that like you could do like, oh, you need to have number, you need to have symbols, like to direct people, but I just think it would just be easier for me to just have it be like the game just generates a password to you. Hold on, let me read now. Hydrate. I didn't see the hydrate thing. You don't notice who comments when you only listen to the robot. I guess that's true. I was thinking of something similar. Jonta, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to deal with passwords. If this worked, everyone would do this. Like, what if people log in on multiple devices? Can you explain to me? Because I know that I've not seen any website do this, but I just wondered, like, why? Like, why do they not generate a password? Because there has to be, like, a reason for it, right? That I just don't understand. I mean, I know you work with, like, cybersecurity. So please educate me. An ID system would also work when dealing with fakers. Maybe only show the approved level publicly. Probably because someone would forget the assigned password. I do not work in cybersecurity. But you can still have like a forgot password system, right? And your email, like, I would let Google handle their security, right? So preferably no one would get access to your Gmail, right? But if someone did get access to, I guess a Sticky Paws account, if we're gonna call it that, they could just see like the passwords, and you know, people use passwords like everywhere, like the same one for everything. I did that for a long time. I know you're not supposed to, but I didn't have like a password manager before, right? I did not have like one password to like manage all the passwords I have. I just had to like remember them. You still have, okay, so people don't remember auto-generated passwords. Usually they work because they're saved in password managers. You still have to save the password somewhere security and all. How do you how do you save it securely though? How does that even work? Because where do like password get stored? Isn't it like just a file on the server? There would be like on the server like a file saying passwords. Johnny one. A paid subscription for all things John. I have my password saved on a text file. Because what you say no. Like how are passwords stored on a server, or however the fuck it works? I have no idea. You don't store a password, but I check some of it. That is very oh my god. That is very, very outside of my scope, but it's saved in an encrypted hashed database usually. They get encrypted to hell if a password is just stored on a server in a little txt. No one would trust that site. But I'm thinking like, aren't they encrypted? But they're still stored somewhere. But Door is saying something else, like a check something. However you would explain that. Honestly, I feel like I just don't want to do accounts. If someone were to impersonate you on Sticky Paws, if someone would impersonate you on Sticky Paws, I guess we I don't know. I don't know. I really don't feel like doing like a full account thing for this. Because I have no knowledge of how that works. We're trying to get Sticky Paws onto Nintendo players so we can have custom level and goobers. How does it work with Nintendo? Like, because whenever you're making levels in Mario Maker, for example, when you first start Mario Maker, does it like automatically just connect to your Nintendo account? I think. And whenever you upload, it's like under that account. I like Pokemon Shadow system. Anyone can set any name, but if you want yours saved for you, you can set a password. Oh, I didn't think about that. I forgot about that. I I guess you could do that. I still have no idea how everything works though. Like how to implement that. I mean, I could look it up. Like, how do you make account system? Because I have seen tutorials how to do it. The only thing is, I'm afraid of is like people want to hack because they see it as an easy target. Because it probably would be if I don't even know how it works, right? Like, I don't know how secure you can make like a server or website. Like, there's always gonna be people trying to hack. Okay, wait, I think so. Like, let's say my password is password account gets a few random characters that get added to the end of the password, so you calculate the shot 256 shakes of a pass and combine with the salt and store that. Again, no cybersecurity, man. I think it was done like that 10 years ago. Hackers gonna hack. The source code for your game is also public. So yeah, I have no idea how we would I guess for now, if you see someone impersonating you on Sticky Paws, you can contact me about it and I can like remove their level. Or I could actually, if I really wanted to, I could go into the files and change things. I could fuck with people if I really wanted to. I could just go in and change things about people's levels they've uploaded. Because I honestly don't know. This is just how I'm doing it right now. Like, because I feel like it would be stupid if you're making... Oh my god. It would be it would be stupid if you're uploading a level and you can't even see who made the level, you know? That feels like such a basic thing that should be included. Yeah, you can't see it because... Hold on, let me change my... You see down here in the corner it says by John Hill. Right here. I feel like that's such a basic thing to have. And this is the easiest way to implement it for now. Was there anything else? I was just going off on a tangent, I feel like. If you see levels with your name that you have not posted, press the paw icon to report it. Identity theft. Inappropriate levels that have highly inappropriate content get censored. I'm gonna censor things. If you post a level like making fun of me, I'm gonna change it to make fun of you. That's just how I'm gonna do it on the Sticky server. But yeah, this is such a simple system too. I don't have everything implemented yet. I wanted there to be like, it would at least show some information about the level before you download it. But I don't have that like done yet, you know. I guess that's all I have to say about that for now. The porn levels will be stashed away into its own folder, and you get like a special code to access like the 18 plus adult section of Sticky Paws. So you can download all the porn levels. You could also add a review system where a level needs to be verified. There's a lot of systems I need to do. Janil, no. No porn, Janil. Okay, I won't do it. But there should be like there should be the Sticky Paws underbelly though. Like underground community of Sticky Paw levels. Alright, how long have I been streaming for? 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, we can stream for a little more. Look into the Mario Maker moderation and see how they handle it. I can do that. I actually know a little bit about Mario Maker moderation, but I actually disagree with them on a lot of things. That made me think of something. Oh my god. I'm just gonna add this. Here's something I totally disagree with Mario Maker on. And this is my like solution I would do. Because they remove levels just because they have glitches. I mean, I get it because, you know, they have 100 Mario, whatever it's called. And I know Nintendo would never want this, but I'm gonna add like a glitch tag. So if I would ever add like some sort of like 100 Mario, it would just not show up if you at least tag it as like a glitch thing. You get what I mean? Because there were a ton of cool levels to like that used glitches, and Nintendo just removed them. Like I get it, and I get it when it's like, you know, you don't want that in like a normal playthrough or something of Mario Maker, but I at least like add some tag to it or something that like. It's very discouraging, like, if you're making a level that happened to have a glitch. You didn't even know if it was a glitch or not sometimes. That's just how I feel about it. So this would be my solution. Let me see, can I just do this so I can just search? I have to add tags like this. Glitch showcase. Okay, I think I need to fix that later, but hold on. Glitch showcase. Sorry if I'm not looking, hold on. Let me look. I remember the invisible block glitch in Mario Maker 1. God. Yeah. like some I get that if you update the game so the bug is no longer there, the level just breaks, and that will ruin the experience for players. I guess that's true. You could add some sort of warning to be like, you know, glitches can be fixed, you know, because that's what I'm supposed to do. This would actually be a good way to maybe... Actually, this could help me with, like, bug fixing. If people just uploaded levels that utilize glitches, I could, like, take a look at them. I could search for the glitch tag. Wouldn't that be epic, actually? That would be kind of cool, I think. It is a complicated issue. Because I know that for them, glitches is not a thing in Nintendo games, you know? You know how polished Nintendo usually is. But I feel like this is like a very, you know... I know that my game has glitches, you know? And it's a very small game. I don't want to like remove glitch levels just because like I would rather do this, like just add a tag to it so people are at least aware what they're playing. I could even have like a little warning thing be like, this is a glitch showcase level. Are you sure you wanna play? You know? Something like that. Now I need to make these menus to work. Let me see. Hey Johnny, can I hack your server? Can you at least do the what is it called whenever you hack something but you're doing it because you're nice? Like you hack my server and you say, hey, here's like vulnerability. And I would pay you. I wouldn't pay you as much as like other companies do because I don't have that money. But I would pay you if you hack my server and you succeed, you know? An ID system would be a beneficial one. You can look up the ID to look at the creators levels to the ID generate once you boot up the game. I think that is like a good idea, you know? Basically like Mario Maker, right? They do the same thing. I will have to I will have to look up how to do this, you know. Oh heck. If you're gonna hack my server, you have to be nice, okay? You can't be mean. Please. Okay, let me just fix this. I don't have a button that's just like add add tag. I don't have that. I'm sorry. There we go. Are there any more? Var tag. Oh, I see. It says, hold on, did I remove something? Because it doesn't say text, I think. It's supposed to say text here. Same year. Let's go into a level and you see. Speaking of, how is custom stuff going to work on the Nintendo Switch version? I was thinking about, like, when making custom levels. Well, first of all, I don't even know what Nintendo will say. I have no idea. I still do it, like I program all the things working, so I can at least show them what I'm thinking of. And if they give me feedback like, you need to change this or remove this, I would simply have to comply. Oh. Oops. Hold on. I do this thing here, but not here. Okay. Because I have no idea if Nintendo would allow this, you know. Hello, Johnny. Hello, Moonsoft. How are you doing? Finally, I catch you. I haven't been streaming for a long time. This is my second stream right now. I actually looked, I've been away for like 6 months. I haven't been streaming at all. But I decided to stream again. Whoops, I went into the wrong. It's still doing this. Is there any more? Oh. There we go. Okay, it should work now. Salutations. Solution. Also, the level editor on Switch. I mean, I'm trying my best to make it work, but I just know it's gonna be like, it's gonna feel a little bit like the Mario Maker 2 situation. If you know, like, what the hell with the object title? Is this not object title? Oh, fuck. It added text. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, now it should work. Sorry. What was I saying? Like Mario Maker 2, there's no stylus like you would have on Wii U. And I just feel like it's kind of inferior on like making a level in Mario Maker 2. It didn't feel as good as making them in Mario Maker 1. Even if all the tools and stuff were much, you know, more expanded in Mario Maker 2, I still loved making in Mario Maker 1 because of the style. So there is gonna be like some effect of that. Why is this happening? I have it right here. Tag theme equals glitch showcase. I am setting it, right? Under each tag theme, there should be a glitch showcase. That one has it. That one has it. That one has it. What am I doing wrong? Object title. It's right here. Am I reading it wrong? Hold on. One more time. It's right here. Tag glitch showcase. Did I add another text somewhere? It needs to load. Level editor. Glitch. Oh my god. It should say tag here, right? That I didn't notice. I guess I can do this. Hold on. Okay, it should work now. I'm sorry. I think sticky paws will you. I think it would be cute for when you look online for levels and custom characters. There would be a cute graphic with sticky on the PC and Kathleen with a controller. And then Nintendo Switch, she has the Joy-Cons. I think that would be very cute, actually. You're right. I would love to draw little pictures of Sticky and Kathleen doing things. Like, right here, it should be like Sticky doing a little dance because he's excited that you're gonna make a level. I think that would work. Okay, I'm gonna click upload on this. Oh, I need to do clear check. Let me do that quick. I could probably help out with the artwork. I mean, if you have any ideas, you can definitely send me of like what kind of artwork that would be. The only problem I've seen is on Switch, it could get cramp. Let me just show you. I have this program where I can set the resolutions. And this is the resolution of the Switch. Hopefully I can fit things. You see here the thumbnail I had to shrink. Like I could have a sticky here or something. But I have to keep that in mind, so I have to do some testing with that if I'm gonna add like more character art. Anyways, let's add tags. Oh, this thing doesn't move down. Until I move it far enough. What? That's not correct. The thing didn't show up either. Is it like underneath here? Hold on. How did I make this thing? I'm confused sometimes. So here is the menu. Oh, I guess it's like here. It needs to be like this. Draw menu check mark. Here it gets the... Where is it? Oh, do I not have it here? Okay, we need to do some more digging. There's supposed to be a value that is like the position it should scroll to. I forgot what it's called now. I had it here, right? Or actually, do I not have it for this? Oh my god, change this. Hold on. Whenever I'm coding, it's like I know people are like watching me. The value was called menu something. I just wanted to go down to the where it's displaying them. I'm sorry. Wasn't there is a list of all the, not like that, but like this menu Y offset. Okay, I'm sorry. Menu Y offset. Let's look around. Oh, these are the only ones here. Oh, but I was thinking like in here there should be a menu Y offset thing. I guess it's not here at all. Oops, did not copy this thing. Yeah, it's just not here. And that's a little weird, so I'm gonna put that in. Like here. Y position. Oops. Also here, just in case. Also here, just in case. Menu Y offset. Scroll menu. Okay, so in here I have like the scroll thing working. Offset display height is 200. Okay, let's just try this again. Let's see. Okay, loading. Guys, are you like happy right now? So let's go into upload tags. This thing is like, oh god. No, I did something wrong. Hold on. Is it real? I think I meant real. This is supposed to be this one, I think. Otherwise, it's gonna do that. I don't know. I don't know what happened. John, I would be on and say that your voice is very calming. Thank you. Is it actually? This is like the chill stream. If you listen to the music, you hear that it's like, what is the music? It says chill vibes and relaxing gaming music. That's what the music is. Okay, let's... Oh god. The freaking code. Look at this. How do I feel about this? I feel awful. Oh, my WhatsApp. My webcam is in the way. So you don't see the WhatsApp notification. Okay, hold on. Did I not have a thing for this? For any of it? I remember I was trying to put in like a menu offset thing. I'm kind of confused. Why doesn't any of these have that? Menu cursor Y position. I guess. Wait, what? Showing menu cursor. No, this is something else. I'm so confused. I'm sorry. Menu cursor Y position. This is this thing. Pogger. Don't forget to drink water. I will get some water. Menu cursor Y position. I think I'm trying... Okay, that's the one I should get. I think. Ah. Okay, let's try this one more time. Please use work. Am I just blind? Are they in the other scripts? I just didn't see them. I went it the wrong. Hold on. This one. Okay, it works now. Neil sleep aid. You see, if it doesn't scroll much because this is such a short menu. But if I have this, it scrolls more. It doesn't scroll enough for this one though. So I guess I have to fix that at least. Okay, I know what to look for now, I guess. So it would be like if this menu I can actually do like menu equals if if open drop down equals false, I guess maybe I could put this code in the drop down menu thing, because it does do this. Oh, if it's false, it does that. But there should be one if it's true, then do this plus some amount. Like if it's true. Not that one. So I guess here I would have to copy the where did it go? This one. How does this work? Drop down menu item. All of them say Y position. How does it know? It might be you left because your name changed color for some reason. Why did it do that? Can I look at the little... I can actually see how many. It does say 4, but I think most of them are lurking now, or like, you know, actually doing things. You changed color for me for some reason. I don't know why. Like your name. You see that in the... over there. Yeah, how the heck does it get the Y thing? Times item number or something. I'm gonna be lazy for now. I'm just gonna say plus something. See what happens. There's a reason for that. We'll explain more later. I don't know about Twitch so well. Why does that? It looked like you became like Doru or Perse, whatever. Okay, let's go in here. Upload, edit tags. So yeah, whenever you're opening it, it should like move down a bit. Oh god. For some reason, I need to go... Why is that happening? But yeah, you see it went down a bit so you can see. I don't understand why it doesn't want to... It doesn't want to move anymore. Okay, we need some debug stuff. Hold on. Let's just get this thing. I think this should work. It might crash in the beginning because I realized like... No, it doesn't. Thank God. Level editor. So I'm gonna... This is like the debug menu thing. This text that comes up. So... there I can see it says menu cursor Y position. It says 0. So let's upload edit tags. So you see it's changing now. But it might just be like it's weird. Whenever I use the mouse, it just works okay. Right? Does it have to do with anything with the mouse? It's a little crazy. If I go to... Okay, not debug. Just go back to the... where the heck is that now again? There was the scroll menu thing. Scroll menu. I could put a number here, so I'm gonna put like 300 here instead. See if that fixes it. The number is just like offset thing, so offset display height. How do I explain it? Like, it's looking at the height and of the screen, and like if it how long like distance should it be before it reacts? Did I explain that right? I have no idea. Don't forget to stretch as well. Okay, I will stretch. Oof. Did it actually crack? That is a little scary. But it's okay. Okay, maybe this will work. No, it doesn't work. I don't understand why. If I put this number at something really high, like 3,000, what would happen then? You might need to check what box is highlighted on. I was thinking I was doing that. But it's like, okay. Let's just go to this one again. Let me just study the code. So, if this number plus the display get GUI height minus offset is less than this number. This is the number I was setting in the like buttons, right? Like right here. And it should set it to its own Y position that I put in, like where it's positioned on the screen. Actually, no, I think that is how it's supposed to be, yeah. Then it starts like scrolling up. And same with like scrolling down. Okay, let's try this. Actually, this one is straight in the center now. So it seems like this code works, but not this one. You see how this is basically the same thing? I'll just put this variable thing too, I guess. It's not really gonna make a difference, but you see it's the same thing. You know? Menu cursor Y position. I'm just kind of half paying attention because I'm working on my own game. At the same time, if I need to think, I use mute as well. That's fine because I'm just struggling with this. I think I'd rather do this off screen. Because it doesn't work right now. I'd rather do this off screen. If it really freaks up, you can use the mouse, I guess. Because that one works. That's what I'm wondering about. Whenever I use the mouse, it actually works. Let me show you. La 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 la. So if I'm using the mouse, let's see here. It scrolls exactly how I want it to. It's just when I'm using the keyboard, it doesn't work all of a sudden. And I'm not sure why. Like, look here. Here's this. Like, look here. You see the cursor is like up there, but if I just hover the mouse over there, so it's like actually selected, it starts moving up instantly. So I'm thinking like, if point in rectangle, then it does this. If point in rectangle, actually are all of them point in rectangle? I see now. I'm sorry. Is that the only one? I guess so. Okay, it's supposed to be here. Yeah. I don't even need these then, actually, if it's already doing this. So I could save and code. I'm stupid. It's supposed to be in there. Let's try it again. The mouse is like... I do have this thing called controls used for menu navigation, so it switches from like if you're using keyboard or mouse. That's what I was trying to look for, but I found out like it just didn't look for keyboard. Or actually, I didn't. I don't even need it to check for keyboard. I just need to check if it's on the menu. I just saw this, but I realized pointing rectangle is like for mouse. So like if the mouse is within the button. But it should just be like if menu is selected and move. So let's see now. That's how I'm thinking it works, at least. Let's see. Upload. Let's make it smaller. Yeah, it works now. Even if I go up. That's what it's supposed to be like. So I fixed it now. I think I'm just getting tired. I was gonna say I've been Actually, it's exactly 2 hours now, and I'm gonna have to go. You see, it's at 15. It says. Oh my god, you can see it right there. That's perfectly aligned. Actually, it's 15. Now it's 51 minutes. But yeah, I have to go. It here shows up that same theme once more. And clicking the button. No, I need to change that. Okay. For some reason, it just says that 2 times. The same thing. This one is glitch showcase. Tag is also tag glitch showcase. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Epic, I'm gonna go play Xenoblade for the future. Ready. I've been holding myself back from it today so I could get some work done. I was gonna say I'm leaving, but I just need to see if this works. Upload, edit tags. Okay, the button is too close to the text, but you see here, you see what I mean. Like, you can have glitch showcase as a tag. So whenever you're making a level specifically with like a glitch, you can use this. And it would be also a good way for me to like look at glitches and stuff. It would be as like some sort of bug report, but instead of like telling it in the Discord server, you could just upload that. And I could see like, oh, people have been making new glitch showcases, so I'm gonna take a look at that. You know? I don't know how I would do with like version, like whenever I update so the glitch doesn't work anymore. I don't know what would happen. I know Mario Maker actually does have a weird system where it remembers its older versions. Have you seen? I know Sieve Gaming has done a video about that where he showed that like an old level, to make it compatible, they saved like how it worked in that update. I don't know how that works. Would that mean that they're just adding code, even if it's like they're adding code that are like bugs? It's pretty crazy. But yeah, now you can do that if you want to. So this level is a glitch showcase now or something. Like it says it right there. I'll have to figure many things out about this. Hopefully I can do good enough once this gets released. I would almost say like, I'm having hiccups. Oh my god. Don't have like too high of like expectations from the server stuff. It literally is just like you upload to a server. There's nothing nothing more fancy to it. There's no accounts or anything really. It's just uploading a file to some server, basically. That's how the level and character share works. Because it's pretty freaking hard doing this. This took doing the server. I don't even know how long that took. More than a month at least. Because I was thinking like 2023 has been like warning, this level was made in a previous version of the game. The level might not work properly. That is freaking true. Oh my god. I realized I need to show one more thing because you said that. I'm sorry. I need to show this. That is a great idea. I can do that. Look at this. Hold on. And once it's like a glitch level, I can add to it where it says like this is a glitch level, so the glitch might be patched. Let's just go into... I have it like if you go into make and you pause. Right there on the bottom it says first created version and then the version number of the game the level was made in. So I could actually do that idea where it says like this level was made in a previous version. I'm gonna write that down right now, actually. When custom level is made in a previous version, it should say level made in old version above the first created on version. There we go. And next time I'm coding, I can put that in. Thank you for that idea, honestly. I can't contain myself. I'm leaving. See you later. Okay, I'm leaving too. I'm actually leaving. Thank you everyone for watching. It's been a blessing streaming for y'all. But I have to go. So, thank you for sticking around, seeing Sticky develop, and goodbye.